Sagar, the ocean. Sagar Rubber Products is one of the leading manufacturers of rubber and plastic packaging products for pharmaceuticals in Mehsana, Gujarat state, western part of India. Sagar is initially located for logistically approachable by major pharma industries. Majority of pharma industries are established in the western part and southern part of manufacturing activities in northern part of India. Sagar is conveniently approachable by air, rail, road from Mumbai, a commercial capital of India. The global pharma landscape has undergone a series of sweeping changes over the last 6 years or so. Increasingly, international pharma majors have had to look away from their traditional strongholds in their quest for new opportunities. They are increasingly facing patent expirations and are keen to find solutions to their problems of reduces revenues and shrinking markets. Currently, the pharma industry in India is a $10 billion industry growing at a rate of 8.9% annually. The output Indian pharmaceutical industry ranks 4th in terms of volume and 13th in terms of value, and around 8% of the world's drugs are manufactured in India. India has 300 pharma companies of large and moderate size and another 10,000 small and tiny firms. But 70% of the production is by the top 100 larger companies. Quantities of medicines are also exported from India to China, Brazil, Nigeria, and in India health expenditure is very less as compared to developed countries. Sagar Rubber Products, founded in 1993, is a professionally managed ISO 9000 certified company by technocrats who have rich and vast experience in the field of pharmaceutical rubber closures. At Sagar, we work to achieve highest quality pharmaceutical rubber components with clean formulation, world-class manufacturing facilities, validated procedure and processes backed up by good quality assurance system and skilled manpower. Composition: conventional and non-conventional formulation, sulfur and zinc-free formulation, free from Markepto derivatives, dual compounding process, kneading, homogeneous desperation by mixing meal, refining of compounding, extrusion to have proper shape, size and minimum air contamination, compression and vacuum injection molding, proper tonnage press, automatic hydraulic and degassing system, precision control panel. Timing: gang cutting with pneumatic and hydraulic power press. Dual inspection system by conveyor belt followed by manual table inspection. RTV silicone rubber coating, high viscous silicone oil coating. Washing and cleaning. Specially designed SS316L make washing. Machines have forward and backward rotation. Material conveying. Specially designed vacuum conveying system to avoid hand-free mobilizing material. Packing. Class 10,000 background unloading, under class 100 laminar packing, under class 100 laminar by aseptic gown packers. Utilities: purification of water by reverse osmosis process, air curtains at the entrance, R&D and quality control. Fully equipped with testing machines as per pharmacopoeia standards. particle count by microscope moisture contains by Carl Fisher method. This goes with Sagar's philosophy, best input gives best output. The quality assurance system has only one motto: saving the life of life-saving drugs.